Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tech Stuffs. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you how to code in Java on your PC or laptop, desktop or whatever, maybe your tablet or your phone. I'm going to share it with you. So we all might have sometime heard about Java in our life. Even if you are a 12-year-old or a 13-year-old, nowadays uh, this generation is going very fast, so it's the social media world, so you might have heard about Java. So let me share with you how to use Java on your computer. Let's come to the main topic: how to install Java on your computer and use it and code it and use it for making softwares, apps, and whatever you like to. You can build anything with Java. Okay, at first we have to go to Google. You have to go to Google Chrome and search for download Visual Studio Code. Okay, so you have to go to the first option over here, download Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux, Windows. So this is the Visual Studio Code. Actually, Visual Studio Code is an editor, just like you have Notes app in your Samsung phone or in your Mac, on your Apple. You have other apps for where you write things and store it, writing it down. So this Visual Studio Code is a software which was built by Microsoft. It's a completely free software. You never have to pay for it. In this, you can code in any language, say Java, Python, C, C++, whatever, the most popular languages, whatever it is, you can code in these languages. It is just an editor. It gives you all the features and options where you can code your languages, different programming languages. So you come to this website, and at first you have to just download it. If you are in Windows, you can download it here. Over Windows 10, 11, you can click over here. If you are in Mac or Linux, you can download it over here. Debian, Ubuntu, if you're Red Hat, like that. And if you're in Mac for Apple, if you're in Mac, you can download it over here. So after downloading, it will get downloaded over here. Since my one is already downloaded, I'm not going to show you. I'm not going to show you just how I downloaded it. It's a very simple process. Visual Studio Code. It is already over here. So after downloading, you have to perform all the simple steps. You have to accept the terms and conditions and all that is related with all other apps. Simple. And your Visual Studio Code is ready to be used. Okay. Okay. But there is another thing. Just only downloading Visual Studio Code is not enough. Okay. There is another thing you have to download. First, let me show you that thing, and then we will come back to our Visual Studio Code software where we are going to code in Java. You have to go to Google and search for JDK download. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. You search for it, JDK download, and you go to the first website, Oracle. Java downloads Oracle India. You click on it, and there are different versions. We'll go for the very recent versions, which has got all the features in it. JDK 23. So if you're in Windows, you go to Windows and simple, you have to just go with the x64 compressed archive. The first option, you have to click on it. It will get downloaded, and you can click on this one or this one, whichever you want. Compressed archive or installer, both are proper. Okay, you have to just download it, and there in this one you have to extract the files which are in the zip folder, and after that you can start coding in Java. Now let's come back to Visual Studio Code, which we are going to use, which will be our code editor. We've come to Visual Studio Code, So this is the basic Visual Studio Code layout. We have to create a new file with Control plus N. It's a shortcut command, or you can go to File. Okay, you can go to File and you can go to New Text File, where you will be able to do all the coding. You will write all your codes over here. Okay, hello world. Okay, so after you have done, you'll be saving your file with over your file, save as, and just save it with the name you want to give, with the file name. You keep it in the folder you want to keep in the particular location, and then save as type. If you are doing with Java, you just click on Java. It will have a .java extension if you just Java, if it is a Java file, or for other files like C, it will be a .c. If for Python, it will be .py, and like that. Okay, so you can save it and it will be done. So I'm not saving it actually. It is just for explaining you guys. I'm just canceling it now. So this is all about VS Studio Code, how to download VS Studio Code and download JDK and use it to code. So thank you guys for watching, for staying tuned. Subscribe to this channel for more such videos on various tech related stuffs. And if you are facing any issues while downloading the JDK file or while downloading Visual Studio from Google, please write down in the comments and I will be very much happy to help you out. Okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you again.